Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Writeseed, a tool that have just arrived on AppSumo and claims to be the most complete AI writer on the market with 70 plus templates, a Chrome extension, and unlimited usage. So it's an AI writer tool where you're gonna have unlimited use. So you can write as long as you can test as many features as you can, and you can also generate AI image using Writeseed. They have 4 different tiers. I think the tier 4 is the best one. It gives you more features. You like that review. The tool will give you all the standard AI templates out there. So GPT-4, GPT-4o, GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4 Turbo, Llama, Cloud, Mixral, etc. It's all included on Writeseed. And as you can see here, if you get the premium plan, which is the tier 1, you will get 20k words per month. But if you get unlimited words plan, tier 2 plan, you get unlimited words per month. So no limits, no limit. The limit will be the image. If you want to have image, you can get the tier 3 and you're gonna get 300 EI image per month. But if you want to have unlimited image, just get tier 4, 176 one-time payment. You get unlimited AI image. I think the deal is pretty fair. Gives you a lot for only $176, and I would recommend you to get it. Let's take a look at the tool. So here we are on the dashboard, and you can check I got the tier 4 plan. The tool has integrations with WordPress and WordPress SEO plugin integrations like Yoast, Rank, Match. So you get those integrations. You can integrate Writeseed with your WordPress blog posts. And let's start for the AI image. You need tier 3 or tier 4. So just write, there are negative prompts here. You can just let those negative prompts over there, it will help you. And you just write and select your format. Let's say a woman, a young woman, a young and beautiful woman dreaming about going to New York City. Don't you think? A young and beautiful woman dreaming about going to New York City. I really like that image. You can create maybe a YouTube thumbnail here. A YouTube thumbnail about a woman dreaming to New York City, written the dream came true. A YouTube thumbnail about a woman dreaming to go to New York City, the dream came true. Mario baking a pizza. Pretty cool. Here is Mario baking a pizza. So then you go to the dashboard and you see the template. SEO research and full-length article. Let's start for this one. That is the main one. First, you select your language. Let's take English. Writeseed as a keyword. You're gonna get your Google search results, related keywords, and search, competition. Let's go to that title, The Future of Writing, Exploring the Power of Writing, of Writeseed AI. I want that one. That's a headline. So AI will create your article. It takes seconds up to 120 seconds. SEO score 100, number of words, heading, paraphrase, image. Writeseed AI is a groundbreaking technology that is transforming the writing landscape. Cutting-edge tool leverages artificial intelligence to produce high-caliber content, streamline the writing process, increasing efficiency, and expanding accessibility to a broader audience. By tapping into the capabilities of machine learning and natural language processing, Writeseed AI can analyze and comprehend human language, generating coherent and engaging writing content. Really good output. It creates even with the image concerning Writeseed. Ethical considerations, challenge of using Writeseed AI. Some others are concerned about the potential for misuse of Writeseed, such as plagiarism and copyright infringement. While Writeseed AI offers many exciting possibilities for writers and educators, it also raises important ethical considerations and challenge. Really cool. So the output is great. They gave you the NLP keywords, image, and also just for image. Okay, there are 2 image on. You connect your WordPress. Can expand, can rewrite, or can download. Can download the text, HTML, text.doc, HTML.doc, points text, HTML points. And then you have many different copies here. Semantic NL write or optimize your existing tests with semantic and NLP keyword. Let the AI write jokes for you. Let's go to jokes. I want a joke about a blind elephant. Print on English. You can select your GPT. Why did the blind elephant use sunscreen? Because he didn't want to get sunburned by the sound of the ocean waves. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I want a joke about the Joker. Why did the Joker apply for a job at the bakery? Because he heard they were looking for a role model with a twisted sense of humor. So the Joker template here. We are always doing a new tweet about new trends in American politics. Exploring the latest trends in American politics, from the rise of grassroots movements to shifts in voter demographics, the landscape is evolving rapidly. Stay informed as these changes shape the future of governance and civic engagement. Social media post, that's cool also. A post about the new Tesla model. Exciting news in the automotive world. Tesla has just unveiled its latest car models, and it's generating quite a buzz. With innovative features, enhanced performance, and a sleek design, this new addition to Tesla lineup aims to push the boundaries of electric vehicle technology. And you can see that the tool goes on with many different kind of models that you can use for your to create even lyrics. They also have a feature called posts and ads. So describe the business of purpose. Let's go to amusement. Background image. Let's go to Disney. Let's say more details. Show button in English. Look, experience thrilling fun at the park. Get your adrenaline pumping. More details. Unleash your inner child at the park. Fun for the whole family. Unleash your inner circle at the park. Fun for the whole family. Discover endless entertainment at the park. Make memories that last a lifetime. So there is also that tool here where you can create social media blog posts using Writeseed. The tool is complete. Everything you need to go on the writing AI business. Create an SEO research and full-length article. Go to Pro Writer mode to write a lot using AI. Paraphrase it, rewrite, humanize your text, create jokes, create lyrics, and having a feature to create unlimited. The deal is generous, so I'm going here, right? Positive review. Let's see what they came from. They came with a guy, no, positive review. The girl is happy, I'm happy. I like the tool, I like the tier 4, and I think I'm going to use it a lot in my business. Thank you so much. Remember to take a look at the link on the description where you can find all the details about that deal and also get the best price right now for that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.